India, as an emerging market, presents a unique and compelling narrative of growth, opportunities, and challenges. Here's an overview that covers various aspects of India's status as an emerging market. India has been among the fastest growing major economies in the world. Its economic expansion is fueled by a combination of factors, including a large and young population, increasing urbanization, rising middle class, and improvements in technology and digital infrastructure. These factors contribute to boosting consumer demand and promoting a culture of entrepreneurship and innovation. India's demographic profile is a significant advantage. With more than half of its population under the age of 30, India enjoys a demographic dividend that could drive economic growth for decades. This young population is increasingly literate, tech-savvy, and aspirational, which plays a crucial role in the country's consumption patterns and its labor market. India's digital infrastructure has seen rapid development, with initiatives like Digital India pushing for increased connectivity, digital literacy, and online services. The country has seen a surge in digital payments, e-commerce, and tech startups, making it a hotbed for innovation in digital technology and services. With a growing middle class, India's market potential is enormous. Consumer spending in sectors such as retail, electronics, and automobiles is on the rise, attracting foreign investment. Moreover, India's emphasis on manufacturing through initiatives like Make in India aims to position the country as a global manufacturing hub. Despite the opportunities, India faces several challenges. Infrastructure development, although improving, still lags behind the needs of a rapidly growing economy. Regulatory and bureaucratic hurdles can impede business operations and deter foreign investors. Additionally, disparities in income and access to education and healthcare persist, highlighting the need for inclusive growth policies. India has been successful in attracting foreign direct investment, FDI, thanks to policy reforms that have opened up several sectors for foreign investors. The government's efforts to improve the ease of doing business and create a more favorable investment climate have been recognized globally. As India continues to industrialize, environmental sustainability becomes a crucial concern. The country is working towards balancing economic growth with environmental stewardship, investing in renewable energy, and adopting sustainable practices across industries. India, as an emerging market, offers a dynamic and complex landscape with vast opportunities tempered by notable challenges. Its path to becoming a major player in the global economy will depend on how effectively it leverages its strengths, addresses its challenges, and navigates the complexities of sustainable and inclusive growth. As the country continues to evolve, its role in the global market will undoubtedly expand, making it an essential focus for investors, businesses, and policymakers worldwide.